Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to change screen lock on Samsung Galaxy A36. Alright guys, so yeah, if you want your cell phone to be more secure, you have to change your cell phone screen lock frequently and continuously. And so yeah, in this time I would like to change my screen lock to another model, and how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first is now you can go to settings menu on your phone like this, and then now you can scroll down and go to security and privacy. And then after that, now you can go to lock screen, and then you can enter your previous lock screen, and then now you can change into another model, and this time I will change into pin model. And first, now you can set the pin, and then now you can confirm one more time, and then so yeah, the new pin is already set, and now you can try the new password. Alright guys, so yeah, the new screen lock is already works. Here's the tutorial, and thank you so much for watching.